job!
Oh, there you are, big boy. Hey. What you doing? Come on, let's go. Get off me. Come on, let's go. Come on. See the birds? Get the birds. What? Get the birds. You see the birds? Jake! Come on. Come on. You see the birds? Come on, let's get the birds. Is it cold, Miles? What are you doing?
I just want to.
What are you making?
Looking forward to something else. I'm looking something. Doghouse.
Yeah, this is doghouse. Uh-oh, did your gloves fall off?
No.
Wait, hey, look at the camera.
Cheese.
Is it cold out here? Jake! You want to go out in the front and get some big icicles?
Yeah.
Alright.
There's some up there.
Yeah, there's some up there. They're pretty big. Not as big as the ones in the front. Be careful, it's slippery. Ah. It's slushy. Look at all those, Miles. Hey, quit. Don't bite his little ball. Are you okay? Don't you bite the ball. Oh, careful. Did you hit your head? What you doing? You okay? Come on, let's go get some icicles. Look. What was that? You burped. Or throw up.